Hello students, how are you beta? Hopefully you all are fine. So in the first video we have started this poem Wind and we have completed almost half this poem. Okay, Wind. And just want to telling you that this one wind represent here, wind represent here the miseries and the difficulties or the problems of human life. Okay, so poet Subramaniam Bharati, by giving the example of wind, wants to convey the message or the theme to the general people that wind is representing just like the miseries, difficulties, and the problems, tensions, worries in the human life. And if we are strong enough, if we will build our mind and heart strong enough to face the problems of life, to face the difficulties and the miseries of life, so easily we can face all the problems of our life. So in the previous video we have completed this poem up to here. Okay, and now I'm starting with the next part, second stanza. So the poet in the first stanza, the poet was asking to wind to blow softly so that there should not be any kind of loss to the human beings, to the property, to the birds, to any species. So here in this he is addressing apostrophe poetic device has been used because when you are addressing an inanimate object, then apostrophe, this is a poetic device, apostrophe. So apostrophe has been used here because he is saying that wind comes slowly, oh wind comes slowly. So it is the apostrophe, or you can say personification also, because he's considering wind as person that comes slowly. Okay, as like human beings come or go. So students, up to here the poet has asked to the wind to blow softly and don't make loss to the weak people, weak windows, weak houses, and the weak rafters, and the wood, and the bodies, and the lives. Okay, so it's making a request to the wind that please blow slowly, don't come so fast, don't give a huge loss to the humanity. And now the wind god winnows and crushes them all. Now he is saying, means Subramaniam Bharati, the poet is saying that wind god means the god of wind. God of wind winnows everything. Winnows means fatkarna beta, fatkarna. So it winnows everything. It just gets separated everything from each and everything. Like it gets separated the door from its socket, and the roof from it, the walls, and crushes them all, and it crushes it. He is saying that it seems that as the wind god is very angry and he is winnowing everything, he is just getting separated everything, and crushes means broken into pieces, crushes means broken into pieces, and it seems that the wind god is broken everything into pieces. Clear? Them all. He won't do what you tell him. And now the poet is telling to the humanity, to the human beings, that what do you want? He won't do. Who? He means wind god. God of wind. That wind god will not act as you want. As human beings, as you are saying, as you are making request to the wind god to blow slowly, blow slowly wind. No, he will not ask for request. He will not responsible for your request, whatever you are asking for. He will not do the same thing as you are asking. So come, let's build strong homes. So now you have to be firm, determined. So the poet is asking to the human beings that it's your responsibility. So it's your responsibility. Come, be strong. Let's build strong homes. It's you only who can do these things. You can't make request to the wind god. He would not do the same thing as you are asking. So you have to be strong. You have to build your houses or your homes so strong that wind cannot break them into pieces. It cannot break the shutters of your house. So you have to build your house is strong. Let's joint the door firmly. You have to give the joint to your door so firm that the wind cannot break it. Practice to form the body, and not only the homes, not only the doors, but you have to do practice for making your body, making your mind, making your heart very strong. It means there is no need to make the homes and the doors strong, but there is need to make your body and mind and heart too firm, too strong, so that no difficulty, no problem can make you lose. Okay, or can make your can do your heart lessen or weak. Make the heart steadfast. So it's your responsibility, man. Human being, it's your responsibility. You are not your accountability is not towards the wind god. Your accountability is along with you only. You have to make yourself strong. You have to make your heart steadfast. Steadfast means very firm, very strong. आपको अपने माइंड को, अपनी बॉडी को और अपने हार्ट को स्ट्रॉन्ग करना पड़ेगा. डू दिस. And after then, if you will build your home, your doors, your mind, your body and your heart strong, then look at the result. You just do this work and the wind will be friend with us. Then look at the result. Then definitely result will be positive. And then if you will make your mind strong, your body strong, then wind means these type of difficulties and the problems of your life will be friend with you. They will become your friend. The wind blows out weak fires, because it is the saying, it is a very famous saying in the world that wind blows out. Blows means put out, bujha dena. Wind put out the weak. If you will remain weak, then it will give you more worries, more tensions, more problems, more difficulties. Because it is the best saying that wind always put out the weak fire. If the fire is weak, then definitely wind will blow it out. It will put it out. And he makes strong fire roar and the flourish. But if the fire is strong, then definitely wind will make it more strong. It will give us the roar. It will give us make a great sound, huge sound. And flourish means it will be more better. It will be more better. His friendship is good. We can't say that if we will make friendship with the wind, means with the problems, with the difficulties of life, then it will be good. Because we have made our mind strong, our body strong, we can face the challenges of life, we can face the problems, we can solve all the problems and difficulties of life, then it will be very good. This friendship will be very nice, because everyone has the up and down in life, so we must face them very bravely. We praise him every day. And if we will make friendship with the wind, then definitely we will start praising life. Every day we will start praising life, because when we will build our mind, we will build our heart and body strong, then we will start praising our life, because we start adaptation with the difficulties or the problems of life. Okay, students, so this was the poem. So prepare well. Hopefully it's very clear. And the poet had the positive vibes for the human beings, and he is just making a request or suggesting to all the human beings through this poem that the wind are just like the difficulties and the challenges of our life, and we must be ready for all the challenges of our life. We must face them with the courage, with the grit and valor. Then no difficulty will stay in our life. Everything will go out of the life. Every challenges we can face then with brave heart, and then no problem will stay forever in the life. So we must not get afraid or get terrified from the problems, but we must make our body and the heart strong. Okay, so good luck, students.